Your biggest enemies are not strangers far away. They're right in your own house. The ones you fed when they were hungry, the ones you helped when no one else would. Now, they want to see you fall. They smile in your face and stab you in the back. But hear this, their betrayal will not break you. Let it fuel you. You didn't come this far by accident. You rose because you were chosen, and no amount of gossip, lies, or hidden attacks will destroy what God has built in you. Let them talk. Let them scheme. Their hate is proof that your light is too bright for their comfort. So don't cry. Don't waste energy asking why. Stand up, sharpen your focus, and move in silence. Keep building, keep winning, and let your success be the thunder that drowns their whispers. They may live in your house, but they don't own your destiny. God does. And no enemy, near or far, can stop what's already written. If you agree with this message, drop 100 in the comment and join our community for more. God bless you.